Yo, I'm going to be doing a complete TubeBuddy review. Not only am I going to be showing you how TubeBuddy works, but I'm also going to be giving you a bit of a tutorial to let you see if TubeBuddy is the right tool for you to use. Now, throughout this video, I'm going to be going through the pros and the cons to help you make an informed decision to see if TubeBuddy is right for you. Now, before we start, I'm going to leave a link down below. That first link is going to give you free access to TubeBuddy, just in case you want to give it a shot and try it for yourself. But first, let's dive into how TubeBuddy works. Now, if you've never heard of TubeBuddy, basically it's an online tool used for YouTube to help you optimize your videos on that platform. In short, it basically helps you rank your videos on YouTube. And another cool thing is TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension that works on Google Chrome. Now, what you will notice if you click on a video, TubeBuddy will show you this video's Videolytics score. And this is cool because this Videolytics gives you a lot of information that YouTube doesn't have. So it gives you the views and it gives you the comments and it gives you the likes. But what's really cool is that it gives you this TubeBuddy SEO score. Now, what's cool about this TubeBuddy SEO score is it helps you to understand where your video needs improvement. So if we look at this video is called Get Paid $2,500 a Week Using Pinterest 10 Minutes a Day in 2024. Basically, with a low high score of 25, it's saying that maybe his title could be a little bit better. Also, another cool thing about this TubeBuddy Chrome extension is that it shows you all the different tags that this video has. It also tells you the best practices that this video does have. So it has a high resolution thumbnail, info cards, and end screen, but the areas of improvement could be he could pin a comment, he could also heart a comment, and maybe do some of these things to increase his rank in this video. But one of my favorite things about TubeBuddy is the show search rankings. So if I click on show search rankings, what you'll be able to see is where his tags are being ranked on YouTube. Now, on this particular video, the tags that he's using aren't being ranked so well. So let's check out a video where you can see the difference. So I jumped to another video, and as you can see here, these tags, they have these green numbers, and they're basically telling you where these tags are ranking on YouTube. And of course, the higher the number, the better the rank. And just to help you understand what these green numbers mean is, if you were to go into YouTube and key in these tags or search terms in the search engine bar, this video will get ranked by the number of this number. For example, if you put in YouTube keyword research tool free, this video would be ranked number 12. Now, I just want to give you an example of how powerful this is. I actually use TubeBuddy, and here is one of my videos that I got ranked using TubeBuddy and using these keywords to help me rank my videos in the YouTube search. So as you can see here, I'm ranking for Funnel Freedom and Funnel Freedom Affiliate Marketing and Funnel Freedom Affiliate Program. All these different terms I'm ranking for. So if I was to put in Funnel Freedom Review, as you can see right up top right here and scrolling down, you'll see my video is right here ranked. And this is how I was able so far since this video is published to get 2.3K views. And as you can see, back to the video, this video has a 95 TubeBuddy SEO score. So basically using these keywords along with TubeBuddy helps me to get my videos ranked in the search engine of YouTube to increase my chances of my video being clicked and seen and watched. Now let me show you how TubeBuddy works. So this is how you could use TubeBuddy to your advantage to help you rank your videos on YouTube. And this is what I do, and this is what I teach. But let's say, for example, you're in affiliate marketing and you want to put out a video about how to get leads. So you would come up to the YouTube search bar and key in how to get leads. Or you could even do something like how to get traffic. So my main goal, what I really want to do, I want to make sure that I get my video ranked as high as possible. So while you're doing your research, basically you just keyed in how to get traffic. And if you see right here, if you click this button, TubeBuddy View Details, what's going to happen now, it's going to give me all the tags of the highest ranking keywords from all these videos. So as you can see right here, and if we scroll down right here, it's showing all the tags for this video. We scroll down and we're seeing all the high ranking tags from these videos from people who are already ranking high on YouTube. And the cool thing is, all you would have to do is just pick the video that you want to copy the tags from and just click this little button right here that says copy tags, and it goes straight to your clipboard. Just click copy. Now pay attention, because this is where it gets super cool. If you come over here and you scroll down, you'll see that TubeBuddy has a tool called Search Explorer. Now with Search Explorer, you can almost guarantee that you're gonna get your videos ranked on top. Let me show you how this works. Now right here, as you can see, next to fair overall has unweighted, and it has click here for weighted. So if you click this right here, it's gonna pull up the Keyword Explorer from TubeBuddy. Now, in the next part I'm about to show you, you need the paid version to do exactly what I'm about to show you. But I want you to understand it's not super expensive. Matter of fact, it's super affordable. And I want you to understand the value of how you can use this in your advantage to help your videos rank on YouTube. But basically, inside the Keyword Explorer, it's gonna give you two overall scores, weighted and unweighted. Now, unweighted is basically more general, like almost anybody could rank using the unweighted score. Now the weighted score, on the other hand, is a little bit more specific and more thorough. It's going to give you information and keywords and tags that you should use specifically for your channel to help you rank on YouTube. Because what's going to happen when you install TubeBuddy into your Chrome extension in Google Chrome, you're going to have to connect your YouTube channel itself. It's going to be able to read the information and the data from your YouTube channel and give you specific and custom information for your YouTube channel that will only work for your channel to help you rank on YouTube. But in short, the weighted score is more accurate, and that's why you want to pay for that. It's definitely worth it. A lot of people go off the unweight and it would totally throw off all of your data. Now, as you can see at the time of this recording, I have a small YouTube channel. This is crucial to if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel so you can start getting traffic and views to your videos that'll help increase sales to your affiliate links and or get monetized on YouTube. You want to separate yourself from the masses to make your videos stand out so you can move up and rank and increase your chances of being successful. This is how I've grown my YouTube channel so far without actually being monetized on YouTube, because I'm getting my content and my videos in front of the right people and ranking up higher, even though I don't have a lot of subscribers. Now, TubeBuddy, as far as the pricing, you can see this is the 1 year, so you could pay $6 a month and you'll save like 18 bucks, and you could pay a one-time payment of $72. This is for the pro, but if you wanted to go monthly, it's still only $7.50 right now per month. And this is basically all you really need to actually get started. And this will give you access to the weighted version of the Keyword Explorer in TubeBuddy. Now, there's also the Legend, where it's a little bit more. It's $32.99 a month. You don't necessarily need that, especially if you're just starting out. It does have some cool features like the A/B testing, where you can test out both of your YouTube thumbnails to see which one works the best. That's a great feature. But the TubeBuddy Pro is all you need right now to start off. That's going to give you access to the Keyword Search Explorer. And as you can see, once you get things set up, you'll see this little TubeBuddy button up here to the top right. That's going to be installed onto your Chrome, and you'll see it on YouTube every time you open up the platform and you're browsing on it. Clicking the TubeBuddy button is going to take you into the back office, so you don't have to always go to the actual website. You can work inside YouTube from within your account of TubeBuddy, and it's super easy and super quick for you to do this. So when you're working on your YouTube videos, as far as the post-production and getting it ready for YouTube, you can just dive right into it. Now, once you get your keywords and your tags and you find out where you could actually rank using Keyword Explorer, the next thing you want to do is go to SEO Studio. And this is where you're going to take those keywords and optimize them for better results on YouTube. So there's two parts. First, you want to find the highest ranking and the best keywords and tags. And then you want to take those keywords and tags into SEO Studio and have them actually optimized. So let's say, for example, like we know how to get traffic is a good keyword to use for this particular video. We could key this in and click start, and now it's going to help us make this even better and optimize it. So if you see this TubeBuddy SEO score, basically what you want to do is get this number as close to 100 as possible. So the SEO Studio is going to show you how to do that. It's going to have these list of things that you can see over to your right that's going to tell you what you need to do as far as making this video rank even better and be optimized for SEO in YouTube. So it's going to start with your title and your description. And if you notice in all of my videos, I have a great title and I have a YouTube description. It's going to tell you the things and what you should say inside the YouTube description to optimize this video for better results on YouTube. Now, TubeBuddy can do a whole lot more. So going back to the TubeBuddy back office, you can see that they not only have the Keyword Explorer, but they also do suggested shorts where you can also rank your shorts. They have something called Click Magnet. This helps you identify what content your audience is craving and learn what style of thumbnails will drive the most clicks. They have a thumbnail generator, a health report, and just like I said earlier, you can do the video A/B testing. A lot of these things may be in the upgraded plans. It's good to know because you might want to take advantage to help your videos start ranking higher on YouTube. Now, I hope this TubeBuddy mini review has helped you decide whether or not TubeBuddy is good for you. TubeBuddy is a software that I highly recommend, especially if you're trying to grow a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. Now, again, I'll leave the link down below this video where you can get a free access to try out TubeBuddy for free. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. And as always, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.